Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you about input and display numbers using arrays in C++. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for supporting my videos, by watching, leaving a comment, clicking the like button, and most importantly by subscribing. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. So basically I'm using Dev C++. Maybe some of you is wondering what type of tools or integrated development that I'm using in writing my C or C++ program. So this one I'm using most of the time. Sometimes I'm using code blocks. While learning how to program in C++, there are so many programming problems that requires us to use arrays. Arrays is the one of the most basic data structure on how we organize our data in our computer. It is a set of values belongs with the same data type. There are several types of arrays: one-dimensional array, multi-dimensional arrays, parallel arrays. So in this video, I will deal with one-dimensional array. Now, some of the machine problem is asking the user to give input values to be specific numbers and then it will be processed. So that is one of my problem before when I am just a C++ beginner in learning the language. So in this tutorial video, I will teach you the code, how to program to achieve input 5 numbers and then store those 5 numbers in an array and then it will display using for loop statement in one-dimensional array. Okay, so we have here library file sharp include iostream for input output, iomanip for input output manipulator. We will be using that now in this command set with 5 spacing using namespace std int main. It is the starting point of every C++ program, and then when we terminate this is also the function that is being terminated by our compiler. We have here left curly bracket and then we have a series of variables I, array 5 in C. So in this example, we are accepting user 5 input numbers. So we have here the title, input and display numbers using arrays in C++. So here, using for loop statement, for I equals 1, starting point, I less than 5, increment, so give value in item. It will be stored here, array bracket I, the 5 input values. And then in this line of code, we will display the list of input numbers using for loop statement. We will display here. We just using the for loop statement that we declare on the top. However, instead of accepting, we just displaying. So we have here set W or set with 5 for spacing. I equals 5, I less than or I equals 1, starting element, I less than or equals to 5, I increment, so we display. And then we close our for loop statement and then new line here, 3 new line, backslash n, and a program which informs the user that the program has been ended, backslash t, new line, and then we close the main function of our program. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download this source code for free in my 2 websites. Okay, let us compile and run. Okay, our program is running right now. Input and display numbers using arrays in C++. Let's say we have 5, first item, second item, 6, 7, 8, and then the fifth is 9. So list of input numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and a program. Okay, perfectly done. Another set of numbers, input and display numbers using arrays in C++. Let's say 100, first item, second item 200, third item 300, fourth item 400, fifth item we have 500. So list of input numbers 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500, and a program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video of input and display numbers using arrays or one-dimensional arrays in C++. programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.